Hi guys, and happy Valentine's Day. Welcome to my channel. My name is ILINCA, and today we are going to unbox the February Boxycharm box. So for those who don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a monthly subscription. You pay around $25 per month and you'll get 5 full-size prizes, and the box is worth of $125 or more. So you only pay $25, you get 5 full-size makeup products or whatever products they send you, and they're all worth of $125 or more. So for those who are new, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. So let's go ahead and open the box and see what we got in this month. Boxycharm. I'm so excited. It's Valentine's Day. And let's see what the theme is. I have a feeling it's Valentine's theme. So I have no idea what's in here. I have not looked on social media to see any of the products or what could be in here. I like to be surprised. So let's go ahead and open it. Oh, look at this. Valentine's Day card. So Boxycharm, this is the card. Cute pink with a heart. And let's open it. And this, it says all the products in here and how much they cost. So I'm assuming the theme, it says adore. You see, adore. And mine is number 11. Okay, so this is how the box looks inside. And let's see what we got in here. Oh my god, okay. The first product is Facial Radiance Pads by First Aid Beauty Fab. This is how it looks like. It's a full size product. Cool. So let's see. Let's look on the card. And this is a daily treatment pad that contains the right amount of lactic and glycolic acids to safely and effectively exfoliate, tone, and brighten all skin types. Regular use of these pads will smooth the skin's texture, providing the perfect canvas for flawless makeup application. And this, the retail value for this is $16. Cool. Okay, so the next product in here is, let's see what we've got here. The LUXIE Complete Sponge Set Bake Control Detail. This is how it looks. So it's a little tiny one, a bigger one, and a medium one. This is good to put in your purse if you want to carry with you. Let's open it. This is what it looks like. Complete sponge set, a detail blender, a precision blender, and a powder blender by LUXIE. Cool. So let's see how much this is worth. LUXIE Beauty. This set of sponges provides a full array of applications. Each sponge is built with different densities, water retention rates, and shapes. The sponges are the ideal complement to your brush set to obtain a perfect complexion and impeccable look. And the retail value is $40. So this is already more than what we paid for the box. Next. Let's see what else we have in here. Oh, look at this. Isle of Paradise. It's a vegan-friendly, cruelty-free, and organic medium self-tanning drops for face and body. Right here. This is another full-size product. So let's see how much this is worth. Okay, so the Control Your Glow with our custom-made self-tanning drops. 12 shades of tan in one bottle. Just add your favorite moisturizer. And this retails for $29. Wow. Next in the box, we have Kate Somerville the Biomimicking Peptides Serum, smooth and firm. Oh, I am so happy I got this because my serum that I've had is already low. So let's see this one. Ooh, Kate specially formulated this highly active concentrate to transform dull, sagging skin into visibly firmer, smoother, refreshed looking skin. After just 1 week, 97% of women reported their skin appeared visibly tighter. And the retail value for this is $98. Wow. Okay, next in the box, we have our last thing in the box. Oh, what is this? QVEEN, it looks like this. Okay, and this is a matte liquid lip satin. If you're a full coverage enthusiast, this matte liquid lip satin is your superhero. Our extremely pigmented formula gives you a true matte finish in one coat with 12-hour performance. The retail value is $17. Let's open it and swatch it. Whoa, look at this red. This is what it looks like. Okay. And let's swatch it. There you go, look at this. Whoa. Bleeding lips. That's intense. Okay, so we got all of our products here. And this, so we've got this lipstick. Let's open the Kate serum so you can see the size. This is what it looks like inside. Then we have the self-tanning drops right here. We got the facial radiance pads. The fourth product and the fifth product are this cool blenders, the Luxe Detail Blender, the Luxe Precision Blender, and the LUXIE Powder Blender. So this was in this month Boxycharm. So 140, 190. This is over $200 worth of products, and we only paid $25. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And I can't wait to see you in my next videos and next month Boxycharm unboxing as well. So please keep watching. I'm gonna have this Boxycharm boxes coming every month, and I will give you my honest opinions, what I think of them. There's not much to swatch here or try on, but stay tuned and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.